In this video, we'll introduce you to a few of the main elements of charting before going into more detail in the next steps of the curriculum. When it comes to charting, two things are important to our users. The first is being able to clearly and persuasively present data, and the second is being able to create these presentations quickly. Some of the application features that contribute towards these aims are intuitive point-and-click editing, a variety of chart styles to choose from, and customized style sheets, just to name a few. All in all, you're saving time and getting your point across effectively. Point-and-click functions on the principle that any element of a chart you click on will activate the editing options for that element in the command bar above. As you can see, when we click on the chart heading, the Presentation Properties tab becomes active, here, and any changes made are instantly applied. Besides adjusting the more cosmetic chart properties like color or font, you can easily modify properties such as scale and date range on the axes. The same point-and-click principle applies, whether you're adding an alternate scale or changing the date range. Besides the fundamental formatting options, you also have the option to emphasize certain aspects of a chart. For example, to draw attention to specific points in time, you can add text annotations, markers, or labels. For this chart, we might like to add a horizontal line at a specified value. You can do it manually, or just specify the precise position, here. Now let's look at the presentation styles I mentioned before. You'll find them in the graph layout options. There are numerous reasons to make these changes, of course, but in this case the chart might just be more impactful if we apply an area graph style for industrial production, for example. Not bad, but it would probably be better if the graph line for ISM PMI weren't partially hidden, so we'll just fix that by adjusting the order. As you can see, the tools have been designed to be very intuitive to use. Let's take a look at one last feature that'll help you highlight a particular angle in the data. In this case, recession bands will work nicely. This video should give you a good understanding of the logic of charting in the application, and an overview of some of the main features you can make use of. For more detailed coverage of the available tools, as well as a step-by-step guide or tutorials, have a look at the next stages of the curriculum.